Hey, hello, Dental Lab owners. I have something really exciting to show you that we have been working on for some time. It's called Roadrunner application. So, what is in this particular video, I'll be talking about what is Roadrunner and what is our future plans. So, let's get started with this. So, let me tell you what is Roadrunner. Oh, sorry, not this slideshow. Okay, so Roadrunner is basically an application for your marketing staff. So that sums it up. What all feature that it will have is the staff should be able to see oral scans. So doctor should be able to book a oral scan from the application. We'll discuss that in detail. And these marketing people should be able to go to the client, take the oral scan, and create a digital RX directly. Staff should be able to create cases based on the booking, the same thing that we discussed. Staff should be able to upload 3D scans directly. Yeah, so this will help you with your managing the 3D files. A doctor can see the 3D file directly when a case is being created. Staff should be able to navigate to a client from the app. So this will, if you're having a new staff and they don't know any location, so this will be very helpful for them, where this will become your basically a central hub for all of your doctor addresses. Lab should be able to track visits to a client. So for example, if you have a staff that you have said you have to visit 10 doctors, and if they go to a doctor, they can mark like visited, so you can get a tracking information actually they are going to a doctor or not. Staff should be able to do pickup and drops. So of course the task will be assigned to them when the case is finished, or we have to do a pickup of a physical impression. So all that staff management routing will be done for you. And the last part will be staff should be assigned doctors so you can assign, for example, like there's a doctor X, you can assign a staff to it, so that staff will take care of all the requirements of that doctor. So maybe a pickup or a delivery, billing, oral scan, everything. So that staff will be automatically assigned to it. So that's about the basics. How lab will be onboarded with this feature. So currently we have to make few changes how you do the workflow part. We'll discuss that. So to get started with this feature, you have to do following things. You have to add the following data. There's a demo for it. I'll show you that as well. So you have to add these fields, which is phone number is very much required, and you also have to add a Google Map addresses. So we will discuss both. Okay, and you also have to create a marketing staff. So in your team section, you have to create a new staff with the role of fielder. We will change that name later on, but currently it's called fielder. So, and lastly, you have to invite clients to your DN application. So a lot of you have purchased the enterprise plan or growth plan, so you will have this leverage where you just click a button and the client will be automatically invited on your custom application. We'll discuss everything. This will be a very exciting tutorial for all of you. So how to get started? So first of all, you have to do here is as add following details in a client profile. To do that, go to any client, and on the client on the client, when you click on this enable partnership, you this modal will open up. This is basically settings for their clinic, and just fill in their email. Their phone number, please make sure their phone number is there. Email, if you don't know, you can use a dummy email, that's also fine. But please make sure their phone number and password is there. So you can do a password reset also for them later on. Just fill in these details and click on invite client. So once you do that, the doctor will be automatically sent a WhatsApp message and an email about that you have invited them to the clinic application. We call it DN clinic. Okay, so this will be the format of your message. So hey, doctor's name, this is the doctor's name, and welcome to the clinic portal. We're excited you to introduce, and like this will be your lab's name. Like here it's like DentNode test client portal. So here it could be your lab name. For example, it could be a Smile Dental Lab, or it could be any dental lab, and it will be shown here. Okay, and once they click on this one button, so this is one of the most innovative features that we have done. Basically we treat it as a OTP here. So as soon as they click on open app, we already know their email and phone number, and this will be only sent to them based on their phone number, and they will, when they click on it, this will be the application will open up for them. So it's basically open. They don't even have to remember user ID password. Every time they click on this open app, their client application will open up for them. Okay, from this client application they can do a lot of stuff. We will not get into the details, but uh, Okay, yeah. So next part will be the clients can request a pickup, submit a case directly, or book a oral scan. So once client has this application, they have a medium to interact with your lab, and what they can do here is there is already I have in the demo to many of you have showed how this new case and pickup works, but they can also book an oral scan. So once they click on the oral scan, you will see this UI will open up. They can do it for today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. If your slot is already taken by one of the clients, it will be grayed out so that you can if you have multiple oral scans, we support that feature as well. But currently, if a slot is taken, they won't be able to select that. It's a very simple UI. As soon as they click on book appointment, a notification will be sent to your DentNode account. As you can see here, doctor has edited has requested a oral scan. At the same time, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the doctor itself, confirming them, hey, your in-clinic oral scan appointment has been booked successfully, date and time and other information. Thank you. So this is for the doctor as a confirmation. At the same time, a notification will be sent to the staff member. So this is where they can, I'll explain everything in, we will have a proper demo of this application moving forward. But currently, as you can see, this is a Roadrunner application that will be which is automatically for this, that is there for marketing staff, and they will see a notification to them as well. And once they start working on, they can click on assign it to them. So we will not get into the entire detail part of it. Okay, now to make this Roadrunner application working, we need geolocation. Like we need to know where that particular. In many of the cases, staff will already know what's the location of the doctor. But moving forward, we really want every client to have their address stored with us, so that we can track marketing staff if they are going to that location or not. So to help you to do that, we have created this portal, which is called, this is one of the most advanced portals available in the entire dental industry, and we will keep on adding more features to it. So let me get started. We have made it really easy for you to create a custom and most powerful geo map ever. So this is the one UI where you can see where you can see all of your clients in your city, or if there are multiple cities also, you can see all of your clients. To get started with this, you just have to go to the client. You will see a new button called Map View. If you click on that Map View, this particular UI will open up. Once this UI will open up, you can add new doctors to it. Like for example, I have added 5 doctors here, but in your case, there might be hundreds of doctors, and you want to add their geolocation. To to do that, it's very easy to do. You can zoom in the map wherever you like, wherever you find, wherever you know that's the location of the dentist, and you click there. So as soon as you click there, this particular marker will be shown, and this UI will be shown. The side panel will open up. Okay, when you search for the doctor name in the UI, just say for example, I have searched Dr. Ramazan Sharma. So as soon as you click on it, select that doctor, and you click on save address, save location. That address, that particular marker will be assigned to that particular doctor, and you're done. So now in the client application, if there is a booking from this particular doctor, any staff member can directly navigate it. So for example, I showed it earlier, right? There's a button here. So this button will be enabled for them. If not, then they have to just rely on their memory. So that's what it is. Currently, we want to test this thing with you all. Like, please, whatever I have showed you, I will send you in the WhatsApp chat as well, WhatsApp group, so that you can go through it on your own and start playing around with this tool. We really want to learn from your experience, like how we can make this better, what are the shortcomings, and we'll directly want to work with you so that we can make it better. So let me know what are your observations. Now, this is how it will look currently, as you can see here. So if I go to the map view, this is all the clients that I have added here. I can see where all my clients are. And if I have to add a new client, let's say there's a new client in JP Nagar. So I know this is the address, this is the clinic. I can click on it, and I'll just search for any whatever doctor name is this. I have selected a client and save location. That's it. So whenever I refresh now, that particular clinic will be shown. Oh, sorry, my bad. As you can see, uh, sorry. yeah, that particular clinic has been added. Why this was not added? Because there was already that doctor was already assigned. Cool. So this is what I wanted to show you. Please try this feature and let me know how you can improve this. Thank you so much. I will share all the resources in the chat. Thank you.